way driving and we just seen this little car dealership. They got everything you can think of. Jeez. Got this Rari with the red wheels. How much? It's a 488. Probably like 300. They got the Forgiatos, the Carbon. Damn. This year is crazy as shit, I'm not gonna lie. This G-Wagon is insane work. Oh gosh. That full kit on that thing. Man, they got everything, y'all see it. Sheesh. 53 motherfucker. That's a whole Maybach truck over there. Damn. Hello, rims and tires and shit. I ain't never see a Maybach truck up close. Jeez. Yeah, I can't even really see in that back seat for real. Yeah, y'all, they got everything. Got the Julia motherfucker. I know this shit get up. Shit probably sound crazy too. Yeah, y'all, this shit is insane. The day I come grab my supercar, I'm gonna come grab it from here. This Viper, old school Viper motherfucker. Manual, V10. Damn. See this shit right here? I don't know what type of Bentley this is. Y'all comment down below what type of Bentley this is, y'all. Jeez. Bentley insane work. Yeah, they got a lot of shit going on over here, y'all. My brother said they got an STO here, but he probably sold it. That's crazy work. That motherfucker S1000 in this bitch. BMW bike with the full carbon package. Insane work. What they playing over here? Oh, that's the STO right there. It's crazy work. Let me know if y'all want to see the SRT on the channel. I don't even got no space left on the SIM card on the GoPro. I got about like a minute left. That brand new EQS, I think it's called. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the phone as soon as this GoPro cut out. I don't know what this white Hyundai's trying to do. Tripping. Oh, is she tripping? He's trying to cut up with us. No, baby girl. Can't cut with us. Just came back with Mission, you feel me? I ain't vlogging, of course, because, you know, it's a little side quest we doing. Yeah. Try to keep with that SRT. Damn. this Jeep though, but this shit's slow. Hope y'all getting this footage. Damn, they got like 20 seconds left on the SIM card, so you know I'm trying, yeah. Damn butts and shit. I gotta fix this damn outer tire rod. And making my shit shake. Extra crazy. Oh. Damn, yeah, I gotta tune this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. As soon as I get this damn check engine light off my shit, I might tune my baby. Not gonna lie. He got his head out the window. Oh, this shit popping. I know y'all hear that shit. It's that bullet. Damn. This shit just take off too fast. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I can't even. I'm in manual mode too. I'm trying, yeah. They got his head out the window dragging and shit.